Specific reason why I'm here in Pisa today. You would never guess where I'm taking you next. Striking difference between the area around the Leaning Tower and the rest of the city, basically. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the very first video of 2025. As you may have guessed, we're in Pisa today and you will probably recognize the world famous Leaning Tower behind my back. And it just happens so that the majority of people coming to Pisa come here first and foremost, and many of them will not see anything else besides this square and the tower itself. But not us, and not today. I'm going to show you a very different Pisa. I'm going to show you the city that most people do not see. But still, if you want to learn more about the tower, whether it's actually leaning, is it ever going to fall, and why this place is called the place of miracles, what the devil has to do with all of it, I invite you to watch my older video from Pisa. I will leave you a link up here and also in the description box so you can check it out after watching this video. Now come with me to explore Pisa like you haven't done it before. Guys, if you enjoy my content and want to support my channel, I remind you that you can do so by hitting the thanks button down below or by buying me a coffee through a link in the description box. Thank you so much to everyone who's already donated to our channel, helping us make more videos for you and discovering more hidden gems and secret places and sharing them with you. I really like this local vibe, especially during the weekend. It's Saturday today and it's full of people. It's so vibrant, so lively. I really enjoy it, you know, when you go to a certain city and there is so much life here. And also, you would never guess where I'm taking you next, because usually I would not take you to the generic chain retail shop, you know, but not today, not in Pisa, because this one is actually a very special one. Things that happen in Italy, guys. You find just a normal retail shop inside this absolutely unique historic palace in the Art Nouveau style with all these beautiful frescoes around and, you know, these amazing windows and everything. And it reminds me of the shop that we once found in Verona with the Roman remains inside. Do you remember, guys, my old vlog from there? I will leave you a link up here if you haven't seen it. Another shop that I want to show you is located right in the same street and basically opposite from the H&M. And it is a very special one as well. You may know, guys, that I love unique bookshops, and what's so unique about this one in particular is, of course, this courtyard that you can roam and look through books and, you know, just enjoy it outdoors. But the most special thing about it is that during springtime, guys, it's all covered with the blossoming wisteria. Now it's January and we sadly cannot enjoy all the wisteria, but you can imagine how beautiful it gets here around April or May approximately. When I'm visiting a new city, the thing I love the most is checking out its local coffee shops. And if I'm visiting the city more than once, as it happens with Pisa, of course then I want to discover more new places and other different coffee shops here. This coffee shop is called Galileo Art Cafe, and there is a good reason for it, guys. You will see numerous places called after Galileo around Pisa, and why, you'd ask? because he was born here. Galileo was born here on the 15th of February 1564, and you can still see his birthplace, the home where he was born and grew up. He eventually attended the University of Pisa, and his first astronomical observations were made from the famous Leaning Tower of Pisa. Guys, remember this artwork by Haring that I talked about in my previous video? I just want to remind you to watch it after watching this video. I will leave you the link in the description box. And also guys, follow me on Instagram, because this way you'll be the first ones to know everything. Now, there is one more very specific reason why I'm here in Pisa today, besides filming this whole video, of course, and it's because I went to attend a very special exhibition. As you know, guys, I am a huge lover of all things art, and I'm inviting you with me to this very unique place and to see a very particular exhibition. We are now going to Palazzo Blu, a historic palace, historic residence in Lungarno that hosts frequently different art exhibitions. Currently, you can attend the Hokusai exhibition there, with more than 200 exclusive artworks by this world-famous Japanese artist, the greatest exponent of the ukiyo-e trend, who has revolutionized art all around the world, influencing other incredible artists such as Degas and Toulouse-Lautrec. But hurry up guys, the exhibition is up only until February 23rd. Guys, look at this gorgeous light. Probably I'm biased, but I think the Tuscan light is the most beautiful. What I really love about Pisa is this striking difference between the area around the Leaning Tower, where it's full of tourists and crowds of people, and the rest of the city basically, where you can just walk and enjoy the city, this Tuscan beauty, without all the tourism. We've just stumbled upon this very particular vintage shop hosted inside the ex-dairy shop building, I suppose. Let's come closer, let's see what do they sell today. Guys, do you remember this square? I tell you all about this place in my older video, so I once again remind you to check it out through the link in the description box. You know guys, how every city, respectable city, has its own female figure that is almost legendary in the city and is associated with the city. It's like Dublin and Molly Malone basically. In Pisa, it is Kinzica that I present to you. According to the legend, this young lady has once saved the entire city from the Saracen attack by waking everybody up so that they started to ring the bells and the city was prepared. And one version of the legend said that they killed everyone, the Saracens, while the other version of the legend, milder one, suggests that the Saracens retired themselves. And that's it for today guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this day today and this unusual Pisa that is actually very beautiful and wonderful and has so much to offer besides just the touristy area, and that many tourists do not see. I hope guys that you will come here soon and you will be able to enjoy everything that the city has to offer. I love the city so much, and it's one of my favorite Tuscan cities besides Florence, of course. So yeah, I'm really enjoying it today. So having said that guys, I remind you to subscribe to my channel. Please like and comment this video. Tell me, what do you think? Have you been to Pisa and what do you think of this city? Or also if you'd like to come here soon. Also hit the bell button down below so you get the notification every time a new video is up on my channel. And thank you so much for being here, and please enjoy your day.